Hey everybody, Pete Nowaski here with Nowaski Extreme Performance and Nowaski Suspension, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. Okay, so today I want to talk about our Nowaski dual adjustable shocks. So these are available in 12, 13, and 14 inch for your bagger, Dyna, and Sportster. So a few unique things about our suspension that I kind of want to explain. Number one is the Heim joints, top and bottom. You see how this shock is moving? That is there for a reason. This is so your shock can move freely under chassis flex and riding conditions. You want that shock to move around as much as possible so you're not introducing load to the shaft. That allows the shock to operate smoothly no matter what your bike is doing and how your chassis is flexing. Another thing, the number on the shock right here. This is not a part number, this is a serial number. Every single piece of suspension that comes from Nowaski has its own individual serial number. That's because every single shock is individually dyno tuned and tested and computer matched and paired with its perfect partner. This gives you the absolute best ride that you can get because your shocks are working equal, left and right. So again, that is a serial number, not a part number. And when you receive your shocks, you can go to our website and register them under the warranty section. Last thing is this little O-ring on the shaft. This is for monitoring your shock travel for setup on your suspension. So once you get your sag set properly and your valving where you want it, you can go out and ride the bike and monitor that. So you would just simply push the O-ring up, take the bike for a ride, come back and monitor where that O-ring is on the shaft, and you'll know if you have to tighten things up or loosen them up. So there we go. I think that's 2 minutes. Nowaski Suspension, 2 Minute Tuesday.